Hi friends, welcome back to Gourmet Gâteaux. Firstly, I would like to apologise as I wasn't able to show you how I fondanted those cakes that I made on video. I didn't really get the time to show you how I fondanted them due to the lack of time, because we were setting off to make a car journey which was to London for about 4 or 5 hours. I really didn't get a chance to show you how I fondanted those cakes, but there is a really great tip as to how I do that, and I will certainly be sharing that with you guys when I make the video for you. So do stay tuned for that one. But in the meantime, I would like to show you how my niece's cake turned out. I will add pictures towards the end of the video just to show you how it was. The bottom tier took a long time to complete because it was a hexagon tier. It was a 12-inch round tier, but the design of it was little hexagons were cut out, and because I was using pastel colours and I was designing them and colour coordinating them so no two colours were side by side, so that took a little bit longer than expected. It took a really good few hours for me to complete that, so I was unable to show you how I fondanted them, and I was working quick time to get everything sorted because we were going to London and we had to set off at night rather than the evening time that was planned. So the cake really took over that time, so I was unable to do that. But yes, I will definitely be sharing the tip with you when I do show you how to fondant, or when I show you how I fondant cakes. So that'll be uploaded very soon. And in the meantime, you guys take good care of yourselves, and I'll be back next time with another new video. Bye, and thank you for watching.